Hey viewers, welcome back to another video. If you are finding a video which would help you and make your computer 101 or more faster, does your computer lags and the mouse goes in a stuck position, so you are at the right place. If you watch this video without skipping till the end, then you are going to know that how you can clear your computer and make it too much faster. So let's begin after the intro.
चलो भाई देखो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ.
So the first thing you can do is you should delete the temporary files. So first one is you need to press Windows key and R. You will see a run command above here, and here you need to type temp. If you will hit enter, so you can see here are some temporary files which are not required right now to the computers and which are some of them are in use. So this maximally gets stored in the computer. As I have cleaned 1 hour earlier, so it's showing this much only. So if you go, so it's going to be too much, approx 3 GB or 4 GB. So you will just do Ctrl A and delete, and you will you can see that some files cannot be deleted because you can see it's currently being used, so that's why it cannot be deleted. So if you'll give try again, it is not going to delete. So click on skip. So you can see this document is also not deletable because this file is also in use. Then again skip. You can see it's deleted. Only these 2 files are currently in use, so let it be. So this was the first one. Let's come to the second one. The second one is again Windows plus R, and here except of temp you need to type %temp and then hit enter. Here you can see here are all these folders. In the temp you get only the files, temporary files, and here you get temporary folders. So to delete it you will just click press Ctrl A and then delete key. Or you can see it's recycling. Now this is also currently in use, so it's not being deleted. Then skip again, this is also in use. Skip. Okay, continue. This is not deletable. Okay, so you can see 100% completed, and these are some which cannot be deleted. And here if you go to the recycle bin, here, so you'll see there are too much. So you'll just click Ctrl A and delete and enter. So it's going to delete all those. These are the rough and temporary files which has preserved their help to the computer. And you can see my recycle bin is empty now. It's going to finish it right now. Okay, so now let's see the third one. If you would have noticed that your computer has a lot of animation, such as when the windows appear, it comes in a pop-up view. If I open again, so you can see it comes in a pop-up view. So you can see like this. Here are some animations over here, and when I will click on start button, you can see it comes in a bit animation way, and you can see here is some transparency in the taskbar and in the menu too. So these are also taking the use of CPU and graphics card. So one thing is to fix this, that you need to go to the start and then settings. Okay, and then you will go to system. You can see too much of effect were there. So you can do one thing, that you will go in about. Here you can see I am having 2 GB RAM and it is usable. Everything Windows 10 Pro, etc. You can see here you need to click on advanced system settings. Here you will get it. Here you need to go to setting. Now here see adjust for best appearance. So it's going to give the best appearance by giving all those features. If you click adjust for best performance, it all are going to be unselected, and then click on apply and then OK. If you want that, if you need some more custom animation. So you can see here that font are also changed here a bit. Here animations are very less, you can see a bit one. So what you can do, you can also select, go to custom and just select whatever you want and click on apply and okay. Okay, so for me it's okay. You can see the font has also changed here. Okay, you can see the transparency has gone here. Now let's come to the fourth one. Okay, so now let's come to the fourth one. So you can see here what you can do, and you can see if we have done the third step, you can see the font has changed, not too much but a bit, which doesn't looks good. So I will go to make it better, the font, at the last of the video. So now let's continue with the fourth one. The fourth one is you need to right click and go to personalize. You can see it, open the setting, and here is the background. You need to come in the color section, and here you can see transparency effect. You just need to off it. You can see it's gone. Taskbar transparency is also gone, and you can see here also transparency has gone. Animation is a bit, and as we have done third step also, so you can see here is no animation. No animation. Previously here was a smoothing effect, it was coming like this smoothingly, but now it's not coming. Okay, so the fonts are not looking good, right? So let's go to the setting and then system. Here in the about, advanced settings, advanced system settings. So let it open. You can see here, you can see here it's showing like this way, like Windows XP. Yeah, because we have some disabled some animation. So now your computer is going to work super duper speed, but here some visual I want that it should be there. So you can see here, I will just uncheck it, and according to your need, you can also personalize here. Okay, so according to me, these are the settings which I would like to keep and make my computer faster. So that's it. I will click on apply and then okay, then close, and we are all set. Let's go to the task manager, and in the performance, let's see. You can see here our CPU is being a bit lesser used, in RAM also is being a bit lesser used. Everything in SSD, HDD, everything is going to use a little one.
Well done. तालियां होनी चाहिए यार हमारे लिए.
So hope this video would be helpful for you. If it's helpful for you and your computer is working super duper faster, then make sure to subscribe and like to my channel. If you like more contents like this only, so you can visit my website and my YouTube channel abhicoderweb.com for more programming and computer related videos. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.